Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add a logo to Wix header. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So as you can see right now, I'm in my site editor, and to add a logo to header, I'm clicking on media and I'm clicking on upload. And I'm going to upload from my computer, and here's my logo, and select the logo and click on add to page, and now resize the logo. So I'm making it a little bit smaller, and now simply drag the logo to header area. And here you can see I successfully added my logo. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.